अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। AD/ASF का जो पेपर हुआ था उसके बाद FPSC की तरफ से सेकंड स्टेज जो स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट अनाउंस किया गया है उसकी डेट 17 जनवरी 2026 है। तो आप लोगों के पास बहुत कम टाइम है। जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने भी क्वालिफाई किया है नेक्स्ट फेज़ के लिए, अब तकरीबन आपके पास 20 दिन रहते हैं, तो इसको यूटिलाइज़ करें और अच्छे तरीके से रिवीजन करें। पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि सिलेबस क्या है। तो सेकंड स्टेज का भी वही सिलेबस है जो फर्स्ट स्टेज का सिलेबस था, और क्वेश्चन पेपर में वही आपके पास 100 मार्क्स के MCQs होंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पर इसमें आपके पास नेगेटिव मार्किंग होगी। 0.25 गलत आंसर के लिए आपका कट जाएगा। ये बिल्कुल उसी तरह से है जैसे PPSC में जनरल नॉलेज पेपर में नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है। तो जो स्टूडेंट्स PPSC का एग्ज़ाम देते रहते हैं उनको तो ये आइडिया होगा, और जो स्टूडेंट्स नए हैं उनको मैं क्लियर कर दूं कि अगर आप एक MCQs गलत करते हैं तो उसके लिए आपका 0.25 जो है वो कट जाएगा। इसलिए सोच समझकर आपने पेपर को अटेम्प्ट करना है, और पहली दफ़ा सिर्फ उन MCQs को ही मार्क करना है जो आपको 100% आते हों। फिर आपने उनको कैलकुलेट करना है। अगर वो 60 से 65 या 70 के दरमियान MCQs बन रहे हैं तो फिर उसके बाद सेकंड स्टेज में आप वो वाले MCQs लगाएं जिनमें आप 50-50 श्योर हैं। तो इतने MCQs अटेम्प्ट करने के बाद फिर आपने जो है वो तुक्के नहीं लगाने हैं, और मैथ्स के पोर्शन में तो बिल्कुल भी तुक्का नहीं लगाना है। मैथ्स कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है कि जिसको सॉल्व किए बगैर आप अंदाज़ा लगा लें सिर्फ तुक्के की बेस पे। तो वो लकीली कहीं आपका कोई MCQs ठीक लग गया, तो वैसे 99% वो गलत ही होता है जो मैथ में आप तुक्के लगा कर आते हैं। इसलिए मैथ का पोर्शन सिरे से आपने तुक्के में इस्तेमाल नहीं करना। खैर, नेगेटिव मार्किंग आपको समझ में आ गई है। पासिंग मार्क्स इसमें आपके 40% ही होंगे। तो ये सिलेबस है, कोई नया सिलेबस इसके लिए नहीं है, वही है जो आपने फर्स्ट स्टेज का जो MCQs पेपर दिया है AD/ASF का, वही सिलेबस इसके लिए भी है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं, हम रिवीजन को सब्जेक्ट वाइज लेकर चलेंगे। तो पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ को स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट MCQs है, फर्स्ट वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस वाज फॉट इन 1857। सर सैयद अहमद खान फाउंडेड द अलीगढ़ मूवमेंट। उर्दू हिंदी controversy started in 1867 in Banaras. Partition of Bengal occurred in 1905 and annulled in 1911. Shimla deputation met Lord Minto in 1906. Muslim League Foundation on 30th of December 1906 in Dhaka. Lucknow Pact signed in 1916 between Muslim League and Congress. Khilafat movement started in 1919 by Ali brothers. Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred in 1919. Nehru report was published in 1928. 14 points given by Quaid-e-Azam in 1929 in response to Nehru report. Allahabad address. Allama Iqbal spoke in 1930. Now or Never, it is a pamphlet by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali in 1933. 1937 elections. Congress ministries formed in 7 provinces. Day of deliverance observed on 22nd of December 1939. Lahore Resolution was passed on 23rd of March 1940. Cripps mission arrived in India in 1942. Shimla Conference was held in 1945. Cabinet mission came in 1946. Red Cliff Award. Boundaries announced on 17th of August 1947. Objective resolution was passed on 12th of March 1949. First constitution promulgated on 23rd of March 1956. Second constitution given by Ayub Khan in 1962. Current constitution is 1973 constitution that was passed on 14th of August 1973. First Governor General is Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. First Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan. First President Sikandar Mirza under 1956 Constitution. Smallest province by area is KPK excluding FATA. Largest province by area is Balochistan and most populated province is Punjab. Indus Water Treaty signed in 1960. Shimla Agreement signed in 1972 between Bhutto and Indira Gandhi. Nuclear tests conducted on 28th of May 1998 and Yom-e-Takbir is celebrated on 28th of May. Supreme Commander. The President is the Supreme Commander of Armed Forces. Upper House is known as Senate. Term is 6 years. Lower House known as National Assembly. Term is 5 years. Total Senate seats 96 following FATA merger reforms. Bicameral legislature introduced in 1973 Constitution. First female Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto. First female Governor Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. Highest peak is K2 and its height is 8611 meter in the Karakoram range. Second highest peak is Nanga Parbat 8126 meter in the Himalaya. Longest river is Indus River 3180 kilometer. Largest desert is Thar Desert in Sindh. Cold desert is Katpana Desert in Skardu. Largest dam is Tarbela Dam on Indus River. Highest dam is Mangla Dam on Jhelum River. Oldest forest is Juniper Forest in Ziyarat. Largest artificial forest is Changamanga. Coastal length is 1058 km. Durand Line is the boundary between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Vahan Corridor separates Pakistan from Tajikistan. Salt Range is located in Punjab Province. Khewda Salt Mine is the second largest in the world. Khyber Pass connects Peshawar with Kabul. Bolan Pass connects Quetta with Kandahar. Manchar Lake is the largest freshwater lake in Pakistan located in Sindh. Saiful Mulok Lake is located in Kagan Valley. Silver fiber term used for cotton. Black gold is the term used for oil or coal. National flower of Pakistan jasmine. National animal markhor. National bird is chokor, partridge. National poet Allama Muhammad Iqbal. National anthem lyrics written by Hafiz Jalandhari. National anthem music composed by Ahmed G. Chagla. First atomic power plant Kanup in Karachi. First airline Orient Airways. First TV station in Lahore on 26th of November 1964. Largest canal is Al Lloyd Barrage, also known as Sakhar Barrage. Oldest inhabited city is Peshawar. Manchester of Pakistan, Faisalabad. Gateway of Pakistan, Karachi. City of Lights, Karachi. City of Saints, Multan. Nishan-e-Haider is the highest military award awarded to 11 persons so far. First recipient of Nishan-e-Haider, Captain Raja Sarwar Shaheed. State Bank inaugurated on 1st of July 1948. First census conducted in 1951. Digital census conducted in 2023. Current President Asif Ali Zardari, 14th President. Current Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, 24th Prime Minister. Current Chief Justice of Pakistan Justice Yahya Afridi, appointed in October 2024. United Nations Security Council membership. Pakistan became a non-permanent member in January 2025 for the 8th time. SCO Summit 2024 hosted by Pakistan in Islamabad. 26th Amendment passed in October 2024 for judicial reforms. Pakistan's Global Firepower Index rank 2025 12th in the world. Current Army Chief General Asim Munir, first female CM Maryam Nawaz of Punjab. Total number of districts approximately 170. New satellite PRSCEO-1 launched in early 2025. Governor of Punjab Sardar Salim Haider Khan. Governor of Sindh Kamran Tisuri. CM Sindh Murad Ali Shah. CM KPK Suhail Afridi. CM Balochistan Sarfaraz Bugti. ICC Champions Trophy 2025 hosted by Pakistan. IG KPK Zulfikar Hamid appointed in January 2025. Foreign exchange reserves in Feb 2025 was approximately $16 billion. United Nations Security Council term Pakistan's non-permanent membership in the UN Security Council began on 1st of January 2025. SCO 2024 venue Pakistan hosted the 23rd Council of Heads of Government of SCO in Islamabad in October 2024. 26th Amendment focus primarily deals with judicial reforms and the appointment of the Chief Justice by Parliamentary Committee. Current Finance Minister Muhammad Aurangzeb, first female manager of PCB Hina Munawar, was appointed in early 2025. Projected GDP in 2025, the UN projects Pakistan's GDP growth at 3.4% for fiscal year 2025. Polio hotspot 2024, Balochistan reported the highest number of polio cases in 2024. Global Firepower 2025, Pakistan is ranked 12th most powerful military in the world. Indigenous satellite, Pakistan launched the PRSCEO-1 satellite in 2025 from China. New Chief Justice Yahya Afridi took oath in October 2024. Punjab Electric Bus, the first fully electric bus service, was inaugurated in January 2025 by the Punjab government. Aman 25 exercise, the multinational naval exercise Aman was held in Karachi in Feb 2025. IG KPK 2025 Zulfikar Hamid appointed in January 2025. Pakistan is the host of ICC Champions Trophy in Feb 2025. Bilateral political consultations held between Pakistan and Uzbekistan in Tashkent in Feb 2025. Largest division by area is Kalat in Balochistan. Largest district by area is Chaghi in Balochistan. Smallest dam is Warsak Dam on Kabul River. Hottest place is Jacobabad, often records the highest temperature in the country. Coldest place is Skardu in GB. Highest rainfall area is Mari. Lowest rainfall area is Nok Kundi in Balochistan. Second largest salt mine is Khewda in Punjab. Bulan Pass connects Jacobabad and Sibi with Quetta. Gomal Pass connects Dera Ismail Khan with Ghazni in Afghanistan. Karakoram Highway length approximately 1300 km, also known as N35. Link Canal between Indus and Jhelum, Chashma Jhelum Link Canal. Largest natural lake Manchar Lake in Sindh. Artificial lake for hydropower Tarbela Lake. Highest point in Sindh Gorakh Hill Station, Kirthar Range. National Assembly seats 336 after the 25th Amendment or FATA merger. Senate term, each senator is elected for 6 years. Speaker National Assembly Sardar Ayaz Sadiq. Chairman Senate Syed Yusuf Raza Gilani. Head of the government, Prime Minister. Head of the state, President. Electoral college for President, National Assembly, Senate, and all four provincial assemblies. Minimum age for President is 45 years, for Prime Minister is 35 years. Voting age in Pakistan is 18 years. Council of Common Interest is established to resolve disputes between Federation and provinces. National Finance Commission decides the distribution of taxes between federal and provinces. First martial law imposed by Iskandar Mirza on 7th of October 1958. Second martial law imposed by Yahya Khan on 25th of March 1969. Third martial law imposed by Ziaul Haq on 5th of July 1977. First President of Muslim League Sir Agha Khan. Lucknow Pact architect Quaid-e-Azam earned the title Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity. Shimla deputation leader Sir Agha Khan met Lord Minto in 1906. Pamphlet Now or Never was written by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali in 1933. Who moved Lahore Resolution? A.K. Fazlul Haq. Delhi Proposals, year 1927. Jinnah's 14-point response to Nehru Report in 1928. Allama Iqbal's profession, philosophy and law, doctorate from Germany. Mohenjo-Daro discovery, found in 1922 in Ladkana. Harappa discovery, found in 1921 in Sahiwal. Last Viceroy of India, Lord Mountbatten. Radcliffe Award member, Muslim, Justice Deen Muhammad and Justice Muhammad Munir. Independent province status for Sindh achieved in 1936 and separated from Bombay. Pirpur Report 1938 documented atrocities against Muslims by Congress ministries. Direct Action Day observed on 16th of August 1946. Largest industry is textile. Largest export partner is USA and largest import partner is China. Biggest commercial bank HPL, Habib Bank Limited. Largest seaport is Karachi Port. Deepest seaport is Gwadar Port. First gas discovery Sui in Balochistan in 1952. First nuclear power plant Canap 1 in Karachi in 1972. Largest library is Punjab Public Library in Lahore. Largest railway station is Lahore Railway Station. Highest railway station is Khan Mehtarzai in Balochistan. Manchester of Pakistan is Faisalabad. Sialkot renowned for sports goods and surgical instruments. Wazirabad renowned for cutlery. Chiniot renowned for wood furniture. Pakistan joined SEATO in 1954. Pakistan joined CENTO in 1955. Pakistan left Commonwealth in 1972 and rejoined in 1989. First OIC summit in Pakistan in 1974 in Lahore. Karakram Highway inauguration in 1978. First female Speaker of National Assembly Fahmida Mirza. Zakat and Ushur Ordinance promulgated in 1980. 18th Amendment introduced by Ziaul Haq that balanced power between President and Prime Minister. 18th Amendment was passed in 2010 that restored parliamentary system. Yom-e-Takbir is celebrated on 28th of May and Pakistan Day is celebrated on 23rd of March. Independence Day is celebrated on 14th of August. Iqbal Day is celebrated on 9th of November. Kite Day 25th December. Defense Day 6th September. First Chief of Air Staff Pakistani Asghar Khan. First Chief of Naval Staff Pakistani HMS Chaudhry. Largest military cantonment is Kharian. Length of Indo-Pak border approximately 2912 km. Area of AJK 13297 square kilometer. Area of GB 72496 square kilometer. Current Governor of KPK Faisal Kareem Kundi. Current Governor of Balochistan Jafar Khan Mandokhel. First scientist to win Nobel Prize in Pakistan Dr. Abdus Salam in physics in 1979. National tree is deodar. नेक्स्ट पोर्शन जो है वो इंग्लिश सेक्शन है। सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे मोस्ट रिपीटेड सिनोनिम्स और एंटोनिम्स। फर्स्ट सिनोनिम है हमारे पास अबेट। अबेट का सिनोनिम है मॉडरेट और डिक्रीज। देन एंटोनिम ऑफ अबेट एग्रेवेट और इंटेंसिफाई। सिनोनिम ऑफ क्लैंडस्टाइन सीक्रेट और हिडन। सिनोनिम ऑफ डिलीजेंट हार्डवर्किंग। एंटोनिम ऑफ डिलीजेंट लेजी और इंडोलेंट। सिनोनिम ऑफ एनिग्मा मिस्ट्री और पजल। सिनोनिम ऑफ फ्रूगल इकोनॉमिकल और थ्रिफ्टी। एंटोनिम ऑफ फ्रूगल एक्स्ट्रावेजेंट और वेस्टफुल। सिनोनिम ऑफ ग्रीगेरियस सोशेबल। एंटोनिम ऑफ ग्रीगेरियस इंट्रोवर्टेड और रिक्लूसिव। सिनोनिम ऑफ हॉटी एरोगेंट और प्राउड। सिनोनिम ऑफ इम्पेकेबल फॉल्टलेस और परफेक्ट। सिनोनिम ऑफ जियोपार्डी डेंजर और रिस्क। सिनोनिम ऑफ लोक्वेशियस टॉकेटिव। एंटोनिम ऑफ लोक्वेशियस टैकिटर्न और रिजर्व्ड। सिनोनिम ऑफ मिटिगेट एलिविएट और लेसन। सिनोनिम ऑफ नीफेरियस wicked or evil. Synonym of obsolete is outdated. Antonym of obsolete is contemporary or modern. Synonym of prudent is wise or careful. Synonym of quell is suppress or subdue. Synonym of reluctant unwilling. Synonym of scrutinize is examine closely. Synonym of transient is temporary or brief. Antonym of transient is permanent or eternal. Synonym of ubiquitous is everywhere. Synonym of venerate is respect of revere. Synonym of wary is cautious. Antonym of wary is careless or rash. Synonym of zenith is peak or summit. Antonym of zenith is nadir or lowest point. Synonym of altruism is selflessness. Synonym of belligerent is hostile or warlike. Synonym of candid is frank or honest. Synonym of deference is respect. And synonym of ephemeral is short-lived. Synonym of fastidious is demanding or choosy. Synonym of garrulous talkative. Synonym of hypothetical theoretical. Synonym of inevitable unavoidable. Jargon slang or technical language. Kindle ignite or awaken. Lethargic sluggish or tired. Magnanimous generous or forgiving. Novel new or original. Opulent rich or luxurious. Placate calm or soothe. Querulous complaining. Resilient tough or flexible. Sagacious wise. Tenacious is stubborn or persistent. Utopia paradise. Vacillate hesitate or waver. Zealot fanatic. Antonym of amicable hostile. Antonym of benevolent malevolent. Antonym of curtail prolong or expand. Antonym of despair hope. Emancipate enslave. Ferocious gentle. Gratuitous necessary. Hinterland urban area. Antonym of impudent is polite. Antonym of juvenile is adult or mature. Antonym of kenag is inability, lucid, confusing or vague. Mundane, extraordinary, nonchalant, concerned. Antonym of obscure is clear. Antonym of profound is superficial. अब कुछ prepositions देख लेते हैं जो most repeated हैं. He is addicted to smoking. I am accustomed to hard work. She is afraid of spiders. We agree with a person. We agree to a proposal. He apologized to me for his behavior. They arrived at the airport. Beware of pickpockets. He is blind in one eye. He is blind to his son's faults. She is busy with her work. I congratulate you on your success. The car collided with a truck. He complained to the principal against the boy. Water consists of hydrogen and oxygen. She died of cancer disease. He died from overwork cause. डिजीज़ के लिए ऑफ का इस्तेमाल होगा, किसी कॉज के लिए हम फ्रॉम यूज़ करेंगे. आई डिफ़र विद यू ऑन दिस पॉइंट. ही इज़ एलिजिबल फॉर द पोस्ट. शी इज़ engaged to him. He is envious of my health. I am familiar with this language. She is fond of music. I am grateful to you for your help. He is guilty of murder. Smoking is injurious to health. He is interested in history. जूनियर, सीनियर, सुपीरियर और इन्फीरियर, इनके साथ हम टू का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, देन का नहीं. He knocked at the door. She laughed at the beggar. Listen to me. He is married to her. This is preferable to that. Prevent him from going. He takes pride in his work. She is proud of her beauty. He recovered from illness. Rely on your own efforts. Send for the doctor. I was surprised at his result. He is tired of this life. Trust in God. He is worthy of praise. Wait for me. Write in ink or with a pen. Absolve from guilt. Access to a place. Accompanied by a person. Adapt to circumstances. Adhere to rules. Adjacent to the house. Allot to someone. Amenable to advice. Answer to a person. Appeal to the judge. Apply for a job. Aspire to greatness. Gave assent to a proposal. Assure of safety. Atone for a sin. नेक्स्ट जो है वो कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट ईडियम्स और फ्रेजेस हैं जो बार बार पेपर्स में रिपीट होते रहते हैं. नंबर 1 पर है, अ बेड ऑफ रोजेज मीन्स एन ईजी लाइफ. अ बर्ड्स आई व्यू, अ जनरल सर्वे और अ ब्रीफ सर्वे. अ ब्लोट फ्रॉम द ब्लू, a sudden shock. A bone of contention, cause of dispute. A close shave, a narrow escape. A red letter day, very important day. At daggers drawn, to be bitter enemies. At the 11th hour, at the last moment. Beat about the bush, avoid the main topic. Break the ice, start a conversation. Burn the midnight oil, work very late. By leaps and bounds, very rapidly. Call it a day to stop working. Cold comfort, slight satisfaction. Crocodile tears, false show of grief. Face the music, accept punishment, or face consequences. French leave, absence without permission. Hard nut to crack a difficult problem. In black and white, in writing. Kicking the bucket, to die. Leave in the lurch, to desert in difficulty. Man of straw, a weak person. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. Out of the blue, unexpectedly. Pull someone's leg, to tease. Rainy day, time of need. Smell a rat, suspect something wrong. Spill the means to reveal a secret. Take to task, to scold or punish. Through thick and thin, in all conditions. Under the thumb of means under the control of. Up to the mark, standard quality. Wild goose chase, useless search. With flying colors, successfully. Wolf in sheep's clothing, hypocrite. A man of letters, a literary person or scholar. A dark horse and an unexpected winner. Black to square one, back to the beginning. Bury the hatchet to make peace. Crying over spilled milk, complaining about a past loss. नेक्स्ट कुछ एमसीक्यूज ग्रामर रूल्स और एरर करेक्शन से रिलेटेड है. फर्स्ट वन है ईच और एवरी always takes a singular verb. Neither or nor and either or all take verb according to the nearest or nearest subject. Unless and until are themselves negative. Don't use not in that sentence. Use between for two people and among for more than two. After lest, always use should. After hardly or scarcely, use when, not then. After no sooner, use then. One of the is followed by a plural noun and a singular verb. It is I who, not it is me. Avoid double negatives. For example, I don't know nothing. इसकी जगह हो सकता है I don't know anything. Senior to, not senior than. Preferable to, not preferable than. Use since for a point of time. For example, 1990 or Monday. Use for a duration. For example, 2 years, 5 hours. Although or though is followed by yet or a comma but not but. Use who for people and which for things or animals. Had better is followed by first form of verb, verb 1. If I were a bird, subjunctive mood for imaginary things. The number of singular verb, a number of plural verb. News, physics, mathematics appear plural but take singular verb. Cattle, people, poultry appear singular but take plural verb. Furniture, advice and information are uncountable. Don't use s. Use a before university and union. It starts with y sound. Use an before honest and r. Here h is silent. Collective nouns like committee or jury take singular verb if they agree. Many are is followed is followed by a singular noun and a singular verb. Use fewer for countable, less for uncountable. To is usually followed by first form of verb, infinitive. Scarcely had I reached when it was raining. I had been living here for 10 years. अब हम मूव करते हैं इस्लामियात के एमसीक्यूज़ की तरफ। फर्स्ट है टोटल नंबर ऑफ सूराज इन कुरान 114, मक्की सूराज 86 एंड मदनी 28। टोटल वर्सेस और आयात 6666, कॉमनली साइटेड और 6236। लॉन्गेस्ट सूरा इज सूरा बकरा and shortest is Surah Kausar. Surah that is without Bismillah is Surah Tawbah and Surah with two Bismillahs is Surah Namal. Heart of the Quran is Surah Yasin and beauty of the Quran is Surah Ar-Rahman. First Surah revealed Surah Alaq, first 5 verses. Last Surah revealed Surah Nasr. Subject of the Quran, human beings. First Hafiz of Quran, Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. First translator of Quran into Persian, Hazrat Salman Farsi Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Surah named after a woman, Surah Maryam. Surah named after an insect, Surah Namal, the ant. Total bows, sajdas in Quran 14. Total stages, manzil 7. First compilation of Quran during the Khilafat of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. The Jami'ul Quran, Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Bridge of Quran is Surah Baqarah. Surah Fatiha known as Kitab, mother of the book. Longest verse is Ayatul Dain. Death verse in Surah Baqarah. Surah with only 3 verses, Surah Kausar, Surah Al-Asr and Surah An-Nasr. Surah Ikhlas equivalent to 1/3 of the Quran. Number of prophets mentioned by name in Holy Quran 26. Angel in charge of revelation Hazrat Jibrail alayhi salam. Angel in charge of rain Hazrat Mikail alayhi salam. Angel in charge of blowing trumpet Sur Phunkna Hazrat Israfil alayhi salam. Angel of death Hazrat Israel alayhi salam. Angels of the grave Munkir and Nakir. Kiraman Katibin are the 2 angels who record deeds. Injil, Bible revealed to Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Taurat revealed to Hazrat Musa alayhi salam and Zabur revealed to Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. Prophet with the title Zun Nurain Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Prophet with title Ruhullah Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Prophet with the title Kalimullah Hazrat Musa alayhi salam and Khalilullah Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Birth date of Holy Prophet peace be upon him 12th Rabiul Awwal, year of elephant or 571 AD. Father's name was Hazrat Abdullah, mother's name Hazrat Amina. Foster mother of Holy Prophet peace be upon him Hazrat Halima Sadiya. Grandfather who raised Holy Prophet peace be upon him Hazrat Abdul Muttalib. Uncle who protected Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him Abu Talib. First wife of Holy Prophet Hazrat Khadija Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. Age of Holy Prophet at marriage with Hazrat Khadija 25 years of age and the age of Hazrat Khadija was 40 years. First revelation was in 40 years in Cave Hira. First male to accept Islam Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. First female to accept Islam Hazrat Khadija Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. First child to accept Islam Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. First slave to accept Islam Hazrat Zaid bin Haris Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Migration to Abyssinia occurred in the 5th year of prophethood. Year of sorrow Amul Huzn. Death of Abu Talib and Hazrat Khadija 10th year of prophethood in 619 AD. Event of Miraj occurred on 27th of Rajab, 10th year of prophethood. Migration to Medina in 622 AD. First mosque built by Prophet, Masjid-e-Quba. Change of Qibla occurred in 2 AH from Jerusalem to Mecca. Fasting became obligatory in 2 AH. Zakat became obligatory in 2 AH. Wine prohibited in 4 AH. Treaty of Hudaybiyah happened in 6 AH. Conquest of Mecca 8 AH. On 20th of Ramadan. Last Hajj Hujjatul Wida in 10th AH. Date of passing of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, 12th Rabiul Awwal 11 AH. Number of daughters 4. Hazrat Zainab, Hazrat Ruqayya, Hazrat Kulsum and Hazrat Fatima. Total sons 3. Hazrat Qasim, Hazrat Abdullah and Hazrat Ibrahim. 3 of them died in childhood. Title Asadullah, Lion of Allah, is of Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Title Saifullah, Sword of Allah, was given to Hazrat Khalid bin Walid Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Foster sister of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, Shima. Companion of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in migration, Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and stayed in Ghar-e Saur. Camel name of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, Kaswa. Foster brother Hazrat Hamza Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, who was first Muezzin, Hazrat Bilal Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Sword name Zulfiqar was gifted to Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Number of times name Ahmed is mentioned in Quran 1 time. Number of times Muhammad is mentioned in Quran 4 times. Tribe of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, Quraysh. Prophet's clan was Banu Hashim. First Ghazwa is Ghazwa Abwa or Vidan. Battle of Badr fought in 2nd AH on 17th of Ramadan. Muslims in Badr 313. Infidels in Badr 1000. Leaders of infidels in Badr, Abu Jahl, and he was killed in Badr. Martyrs of Badr 14 Muslims. Battle of Ohud fought in 3 AH. Muslims in Ohud were 700 and martyrs of Ohud 70, including Hazrat Hamza Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. In which battle did Prophet lose teeth? In Battle of Ohud. Battle of Trench was fought in 5 AH, also known as Khandak. Who proposed the trench? Hazrat Salman Farsi Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Battle of Khandak, also called Ghazwa Azab. Conquest of Khyber in 7 AH. Who conquered Khyber fort? Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Battle of Muta 8 AH. First non-Arab war. Battle of Hunain in 8 AH after the conquest of Makkah. Battle of Tabuk in 9 AH, and it was against Romans. Last Ghazwa was Ghazwa Tabuk. Ghazwa is the battle in which the Prophet, peace be upon him, participated. Sariya is the battle led by companions and in which Prophet, peace be upon him, didn't participate. Total number of Ghazwat are 27. Treaty of Hudaybiyah, written by Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, representative of Quraysh at Hudaybiyah, Suhail bin Amr, who tore the Prophet's letter, King of Persia. Battle of Yarmouk in 13 AH against Romans. Battle of Qadsiya in 14 AH against Persians. Commander at Battle of Qadsiya, Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Tragedy of Karbala on 10th of Muharram 61 AH. Conquest of Egypt during the reign of Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Commander who conquered Egypt, Amr bin Alas Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Conquest of Spain, 711 AD. Commander who conquered Spain, Tariq bin Ziyad. Conquest of Sindh, 712 AD. Commander who conquered Sindh, Muhammad bin Qasim. Battle of Trench duration, 2 weeks to dig, 1 month siege. Fateh Mubin, term used for Treaty of Hudaybiyah. Bait Rizwan, pledge taken under a tree in 6 AH. Muslim strength at Makkah conquest, 10,000. Muslim strength at Tabuk, 30,000. First pillar of Islam, Shahadat. Second pillar, Salat, prayer. Salat became farz at night of Miraj, 10th prophethood. Number of prayers initially were 50 and then reduced to 5. Third pillar is Zakat. Zakat means to purify. Zakat on gold is 7.5 tola and on silver is 52.5 tolas. Ushur is the zakat on agricultural land, 10% or 5%. Fourth pillar is Saum, fasting. Fifth pillar is Hajj, pilgrimage. Hajj became farz in 9 AH. And Holy Prophet peace be upon him performed his only one Hajj in 10 AH. Arafat stay, the most important part of Hajj, on 9th of Zulhajj. First Hajj was led by Hazrat Abu Bakr Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu in 9 AH. Running between Safa and Marwa is known as Sa'i. Throwing stones at Shaitan, Ramai. Shaving head after Hajj is known as Halq. First kalma is Tayyiba, second Shahadat, third Tamjeed, fourth kalma is Tawheed, fifth Astaghfar and sixth Radd Kufr. Eid al-Fitr is on 1st of Shawwal. Eid al-Adha is on 10th of Zulhajj. First Eid prayer in 2 AH. Inheritance laws revealed in 4 AH. Ablution Wuzu farz in 5 AH. Tayammum allowed in 4 AH. Friday prayer farz, 1st AH. Interest riba prohibited in 9 AH. Azan started in 1st AH in Medina. Who suggested Azan? Hazrat Umar Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Funeral prayer Janaza is farz-e kifaya. Number of takbeers in Eid prayer, 6 or 12 depending on school. Kisuf prayer, prayer for solar eclipse. Khusuf prayer, prayer for lunar eclipse. Istisqa prayer, prayer for rain. Tahajjud prayer is pre-dawn prayer, voluntary but highly rewarded. Zakat on camel, 1 goat for every 5 camels. First Caliph Hazrat Abu Bakr Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, period 2 years. Hazrat Abu Bakr's real name Abdullah, title of Abu Bakr Siddiq and Atiq. Second Caliph Hazrat Umar Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, period is 10 years. Title of Hazrat Umar Farooq, who introduced the Hijri calendar, Hazrat Umar Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Who established the Department of Police, Hazrat Umar. Third Caliph Hazrat Usman and his period is 12 years. Title of Hazrat Usman Ghani and Zunnurain. Fourth Caliph is Hazrat Ali Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and period is 4 years. Title of Hazrat Ali Murtaza and Haider. Martyr of first Caliph died naturally. Martyred of Hazrat Umar by Firoz Abu Lulu. Martyr of Hazrat Usman by Egyptian rebels. Martyr of Hazrat Ali by Abdul Rahman bin Muljam. Battle of Camel was fought between Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Aisha. Battle of Siffin was fought between Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Muawiyah. Umayyad dynasty founder Hazrat Muawiyah Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Abbasid dynasty founder Abul Abbas al-Safa. Fifth pious caliph unofficial title is given to Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz. First mosque in India, Chiraman Juma Mosque in Kerala. Khatibul Anbiya is the title of Hazrat Shoaib alayhi salam. Abul Bashar is the title of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Prophet who remained in fish belly, Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam for 40 days. Prophet who built the ark, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Prophet with power over jinn or animals, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam. Prophet famous for patience, Hazrat Ayyub alayhi salam. Baitul Muqaddas is located in Jerusalem. First Qibla of Islam, Masjid Aqsa. Zamzam spring emerged for Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Ashra Mubashra include 10 companions who were promised paradise in their lifetime. Sahih Bukhari author Imam Muhammad bin Ismail Bukhari. Sahih Muslim author Imam Muslim bin Hajjaj. Sahih Sitta are the 6 most authentic hadith books. First migration of Muslims to Abyssinia or Ethiopia. Foster mother of Prophet who was also his aunt, Ayman. Wife of Prophet with the most hadith narrations, Hazrat Aisha Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha. Daughter of Prophet who died last, Hazrat Fatima Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha. City of Prophet, Al-Madina Al-Munawwara. First Muslim woman martyr, Hazrat Sumayya Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha. अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स के MCQs। इसमें 2025 के जनवरी से लेकर अब तक के जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स हैं वो वन लाइनर की फॉर्म में आपके साथ शेयर किए गए हैं। ये सिर्फ AD/ASF के पेपर के लिए नहीं बल्कि किसी भी वन पेपर एग्ज़ाम के लिए जो GK पेपर होता है उसके लिए मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है। AD/ASF के पेपर में मेजर पोर्शन होता है करंट अफेयर्स का। इसलिए 2025 के जो करंट अफेयर्स हैं उनको लाजमी प्रिपेयर करना है। स्टार्ट करते हैं। जो फर्स्ट MCQs है, करंट प्रेसिडेंट आसिफ अली जरदारी, ही इज़ द 14th president who took oath in March 2024. Current Prime Minister is Shehbaz Sharif, who is the 24th Prime Minister. Current Chief Justice of Pakistan, Justice Yahya Afridi, who was appointed in October 2024. 26th Constitutional Amendment was passed in October 2024, focusing on judicial reforms. SCO Summit 2024 venue in Islamabad. Current Army Chief General Asim Munir, he is the 17th Chief of Army Staff. Current Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee. As of late 2025, Pakistan's Chairman Joint Chief of Staff Committee was General Sahir Shamshad Mirza, who recently completed his tenure around 27th of November 2025, after which the position of Chairman Joint Chief of Staff Committee has been abolished and replaced by a new Chief of Defence Forces role, potentially filled by Army Chief General Asim Munir. First female CM of Punjab, Maryam Nawaz Sharif. Current CM Sindh, Murad Ali Shah. Current CM of KPK, Suhail Afridi. Current CM Balochistan, Sarfaraz Bugti. Current Governor of Punjab, Sardar Salim Haider Khan. Current Governor of Sindh, Kamran Tisuri. Current Governor of KPK, Faisal Kareem Kundi. Current Governor of Balochistan, जाफ़र खान मंडोखेल। करंट स्पीकर ऑफ नेशनल असेंबली सरदार अयाज सादिक। करंट चेयरमैन सेनेट सैयद यूसुफ रज़ा गिलानी। करंट डिप्टी चेयरमैन सेनेट सैयद खान नसर। करंट फॉरेन मिनिस्टर इसहाक डार, also Deputy Prime Minister. Current Finance Minister is Mohammad Aurangzeb. Current Interior Minister is Mohsin Naqvi, also PCB Chairman, Pakistan Cricket Board. Current DG ISI Lieutenant General Asim Malik, who took charge in September 2024. Current DG ISPR Lieutenant General Ahmed Sharif Chaudhry. Current DG ASF Major General Shoaib bin Akram. Current Chief Election Commissioner Sikandar Sultan Raja. United Nations Security Council seat. Pakistan began its 2-year term as non-permanent member on 1st of January 2025. Pakistan's 8th term in United Nations Security Council. The current term is for the period 2025 to 26. Digital census 2023 population 241.49 million. Growth rate of Pakistan is 2.55% as per 2023 census. Largest city by population is Karachi. Current Auditor General of Pakistan Mr. Maqbool Ahmed Gondal. Current Attorney General Mansoor Usman Awan. Current Federal Ombudsman Wafaki Motasib Ijaz Ahmed Qureshi. Current Chairman FBR Rashid Mahmood Langriyal. Current Governor of State Bank Jameel Ahmed. First female SHO in Gwadar Shazia Allah Bakhsh. Pakistan's first lunar mission iCube Qamar launched in May 2024. Pakistan's first communication satellite 2024 PakSat MM-1. 2024 Olympics medal for Pakistan. Arshad Nadeem won gold in javelin throw. Arshad Nadeem's record 92.97 meters at Paris Olympics. Current Chairman NDMA National Disaster Management Authority Lieutenant General Inam Haider Malik. Current Chairman NAB Lieutenant General Nazir Ahmed Butt. Current IG Punjab Dr. Usman Anwar. Current IG Islamabad Ali Nasir Rizvi. Current IG Sindh Ghulam Nabi Mahmoon. Current IG KPK Mr. Zulfikar Hamid. Current IG Balochistan Muhammad Tahir. Pakistan's rank in Global Firepower Index 2025 12th. Current Chairman Pemra Muhammad Salim Beg. Current Chairman PTA Major General Hafizur Rahman. Current CEO of PIA Air Vice Marshal Muhammad Amir Hayat. Current Federal Education Minister Khalid Maqbool Siddiqui. Current Federal Law Minister Azam Nazir Tarad. Current Federal Information Minister Ataullah Tarad. Current DISP Chairperson Rubina Khalid. Current Chairman HEC Mr. Nadeem Mehboob. Pakistan's High Commissioner to UK Dr. Muhammad Faisal. Pakistan's Ambassador to USA Rizwan Saeed Sheikh. Pakistan's Ambassador to China Khalilur Rahman Hashmi. Current Permanent Representative to UN Munir Akram. Current DG Civil Aviation Authority Nadir Shafi Dar. Current Chairman PEC Engineer Wasim Nazir. Current Chairman Current President of Azad Kashmir Barrister Sultan Mahmood Chaudhry. Current PM of Azad Kashmir Faisal Mumtaz Rathod. Current Governor GB Syed Mehdi Shah. Current CM GB Justice Retired Yar Mohammed. Current Chief Justice of Islamabad High Court Justice Sardar Muhammad Sarfaraz Dogar. Current Chief Justice of Balochistan High Court Justice Muhammad Kamran Khan Mala Khel. Current Chief Justice of Sindh High Court Justice Zafar Ahmed Rajput. Pakistan's inflation target for 2025 set below 12% by State Bank of Pakistan. Current wheat support price 2024 to 25 varies by province, approximately 3900 or 4000. Current Pakistan ranking in Hunger Index 2024, 102nd out of 127. Pakistan Iran gas pipeline status. Pakistan issued notice to resume work in 2024. Current head of PCB Mohsin Naqvi. Current captain of Pakistan test team Shan Masood. Current captain of Pakistan white ball team Mohammad Rizwan. Host host of ICC Champions Trophy 2025 Pakistan. First female pilot from GB Shamim Akhtar. World's highest polo ground Shandur in Pakistan. Current Foreign Secretary of Pakistan Amna Baloch. First female Foreign Secretary. Current Cabinet Secretary Kamran Ali Afzal. Current Secretary Aviation Division Mr. SN Ali Mangi. Current DG FIA Rifat Mukhtar Raja. Operation Azme Istehkam launched in June 2024 to tackle militancy. Pakistan's export goal 2025 aiming for $60 billion. Current Chairman WAPDA Lieutenant General Muhammad Saeed. Current Chairman Port Qasim Rear Admiral Syed Muazzam Ilyas. Current DG Rangers Punjab Major General Muhammad Atif bin Akram. Current DG Rangers Sindh Major General Muhammad Shamrez Khan Tanoli. Current Federal Minister for Maritime Affairs Muhammad Junaid Anwar Chaudhry. Current Federal Minister for Commerce Jam Kamal Khan. Current Federal Minister for Energy Sardar Awais Ahmed Khan Ligari. Pakistan-China Joint Strike 2024 Joint Counter-Terrorism exercise held in November 2024. First smoke relief artificial rain in Pakistan experimented in Lahore. Current head of Anti-Narcotics Force Major General Abdul Mueed. Current DG Anti-Corruption Punjab Sohail Zafar Chattha. Pakistan's 2025 Hajj quota 179-210. Current Chairman NEPRA Wasim Mukhtar. Current Ombudsman Punjab Mr. Hamid. International Current Affairs 2025. Current US President Donald Trump assumed office on 20th of January 2025. US Vice President J.D. Vance. Current UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres from Portugal. President of COP29 in 2024. Mukhtar Babayev of Azerbaijan. Upcoming COP30 in 2025 host Brazil. Current Prime Minister of UK Keir Starmer. Current President of India Draupadi Murmu. Current Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi, third term. Current President of Iran Masoud Pezeshkian, elected in July 2024. Current Prime Minister of Bangladesh interim head Muhammad Yunus. Current President of Sri Lanka Anura Kumara Dissanayake from September 2024. Current Prime Minister of France Sébastien Lecornu. Current Chancellor of Germany Friedrich Merz assumed office on 6th of May 2025, succeeding Olaf Scholz. Current President of Russia Vladimir Putin. Current President of China Xi Jinping. Current President of UAE Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Current King of Saudi Arabia Salman bin Abdulaziz. Current Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia Mohammed bin Salman. PM of Israel Benjamin Netanyahu. Current President of Palestine Mahmoud Abbas. NATO newest member 32nd Sweden joined in March 2024. Current NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte took office in October 2024. BRICS new member. BRICS has expanded to 11 members, with the latest full member being Indonesia. BRICS Summit 2024 in Kazan, Russia. G20 Summit 2024, Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. G20 Summit 2025 host, South Africa. G Summit 2024 in Italy. G7 Summit 2025 host, Canada. SCO Summit 2025 host, China. Current President of European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen. Current President of World Bank, Ajay Banga. Current Managing Director of IMF, Kristalina Georgieva. Current DG World Health Organization, Tedros Adhanom. Current DG World Trade Organization, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Current DG UNESCO, Khalid Al Inani. Current President of ICJ International Court of Justice, Judge Yuji Iwasawa of Japan, who was elected on 3rd of March 2025. United Nations Security Council Presidency in January 2025, Pakistan. Winner of ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024, India. Runner-up ICC T20 World Cup 2024, South Africa. Host of 2026 FIFA World Cup, USA, Canada and Mexico. Host of 2024 Summer Olympics, Paris in France. Host of 2028 Summer Olympics, Los Angeles in USA. First country to grant citizenship to a robot, Saudi Arabia, and robot name is Sophia. Current King of UK, Charles III. Nobel Peace Prize 2024 awarded to Nihon Hidankyo, Japanese organization. The 2025 Nobel Peace Prize is awarded to Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado. Nobel Prize in Literature 2024 awarded to Han Kang. The 2025 Nobel Prize in Literature is awarded to Hungarian novelist and screenwriter Laszlo Kiras. World's largest economy, USA. World's most populous country, India. Current PM of Japan, Sanai Takaichi. Current PM of Thailand, Anutin Charnvirakul. Current President of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto from October 2024. Eurozone's 20th member, Croatia. Currency of Turkey is lira. Currency of Israel is shekel. Capital of Kazakhstan is Astana, renamed back from Nur Sultan. Capital of Indonesia, Nusantara. World's tallest building, Burj Khalifa. Its height is 828 meters and in feet 2717 feet. Headquarters of SAARC in Kathmandu in Nepal. Headquarters of ASEAN in Jakarta. Headquarters of OIC in Jeddah. Current Secretary General of OIC is Hussein Ibrahim Taha. Current Secretary General of SAARC, Muhammad Ghulam Sarwar. Current Secretary General of Arab League, Ahmed Aboul Gheith. First Arab country to reach Mars, UAE. Elon Musk AI company, XAI Grok. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. World's richest person in 2025, usually Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos. Deepest point in the ocean, Mariana Trench. Largest desert, Antarctic Desert. Largest island is Greenland. Latest country to join Commonwealth, Togo and Gabon. UN Human Rights Council headquarters in Geneva. Interpol headquarters in Lyon, France. World's largest democracy, India. Which country hosted AFC Asian Cup 2024? Qatar. Current Sultan of Oman, Hisham bin Tariq. Capital of Ukraine, Kyiv. Nord Stream pipeline located in Baltic Sea. Headquarters of African Union, Addis Ababa. Current President of Mexico, Claudia Sheinbaum, first female. Operation Iron Swords. Israel's operation in Gaza began in October 2023. Al-Aqsa flood. Hamas operation against Israel on 7th of October 2023. Current President of Turkey, Tayyip Erdogan. Current PM of Canada, Mark Carney. World Press Freedom Index 2024 rank Pakistan 152nd. Corruption Power Index according to Transparency International Index rank of Pakistan in 2024 133rd. Length of Suez Canal 193 km. Panama Canal connects Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Current President of Egypt, Abdul Fattah al-Sisi. Current Emir of Qatar, Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. Current PM of Nepal, Sushila Karki. Newest country in the world, South Sudan. The newest country in the world is South Sudan, which gained independence from Sudan on 9th of July 2011. Kosovo gave independence in 2008 and Montenegro in 2006. First country to launch 6G satellite, China. James Webb Space Telescope launched by NASA. Current UN Deputy Secretary General, Amina J. Mohammed. International Year of 2025 according to UN. International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. World Food Day observed on 16th of October. World Environment Day 5th of June. International Women's Day 8th of March and Human Rights Day 10th of December.